Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Nursery, and our today's topic is Arabic alphabet with Z from Tua to Ya. My dear students, today is our lecture number 12 and SW number 10. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Arabic alphabet with Z from Tua to Ya. So my dear students, at first look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 14 Arabic letter from Tua to Ya. Now we will put a Z under the every alphabet. Now my dear students, let's start. My dear students, you know that this alphabet is called Tua. Now I am putting a Z under the Tua. Now I am putting a Z under the Tua. To. Now you have to pronounce this one. Tozir, Tui, Tozir, Tui. Now Tua and Zua has same shape, but Zua has a drop. Now I am putting a J under the Zo, and you have to pronounce this alphabet Zuadir, the Zuadir, the very softly. Zuadir, the. Now you know that this is Ain and this is Goin. Ain and Goin has same shape, but Goin has a drop. Okay, my dear students, now I am putting a J under the Ain, and you have to pronounce this alphabet. Now Ain Zed Ain Zed you have to pronounce this one from middle of the throat. Ain Zed. Now this one Goin. Now I am putting a J under the Goin. Now you have to pronounce this alphabet Goin Zed Re, Goin Zed Re, not Gain Zed Gi. You have to pronounce Goin Zed Re. Now my dear students, this one is Fa. You know that this alphabet is called Fa. Now I am putting a J under the Fa, and you have to pronounce this one Fa Zir Fi, Fa Zir Fi. Now you know that this alphabet is called Qaf, Qaf, Qaf. Now I am putting a J under the Qaf, and you have to pronounce this one Qaf Zir Qi, Qaf Zir Qi, not Kaf. Okay, this one is Qaf. Now this one is, and this one is called Dui Noktawala Qaf, Dui Noktawala Qaf, Qaf Zir Qi. And my dear students, this one is called Kaf. This one is called Kaf. This alphabet is called Qaf, and this alphabet is called Kaf. Now I am putting a J under the Kaf, and you have to pronounce this one Kaf Zir Ki, Kaf Zir Ki. And my dear students, this Kaf is called Moddokhane Pechano Kaf. Okay, my dear students, now this one is called Lam. Now I am putting a J under the Lam. Lam Zir Li, Lam Zir Li. Okay, my dear students, this line has 4 Arabic alphabet also, and you know that this one is called Mim. Now I am putting a J under the Mim, and you have to pronounce this one Mim Zir Mi, Mim Zir Mi. Now this one is Noon. Now I am putting a J under the Noon. Noon Zir Ni, Noon Zir Ni. Okay, this one is Wow. I am putting a J under the Wow. Now we have to pronounce this one Wow Zir Vi, Wow Zir Vi, like that, Wow Zir Vi. Okay, my dear students, you know that this one is Ha, Ha, Ha. Now I am putting a J under the Ha, and you have to pronounce this one Hazir Hi, Hazir he. Okay, now last two Arabic alphabet, Hamza and Ya. Hamza and Ya. Now I'm putting a Z under the Hamza. Now you have to pronounce Hamza Zer I. Hamza Zer I. Now last Arabic alphabet, 29th number Arabic alphabet is Ya, and now I'm putting a J under the Ya, and you have to pronounce this one Ya Zer I, Ya Zer I, Ya Zer I. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, we have learned today 14 Arabic alphabet with J. Now my dear students, everyone now read with me how to pronounce, how to read. Okay, my dear students, now look at the board again. To, Zer, Ti, Wa, Zer, Ri. My dear students, you have to pronounce Wa, Zer, Ri, Wa, Zer, Ri like this, very softly. Now say again. Ain Zer, I, Ghain Zer, I, Fa Zer, Fi, Qaf Zer, Qi, Kaf Zer, Ki, Lam Zer, Li, Mim Zer, Mi. Sorry, my dear students. Mim Zer, Mi, Nun Zer, Ni, Waw Zer, Wi, Ha Zer, Hi, Hamza Zer, I, Ya Zer, I. Hamza Zer, I, Ya Zer, I. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, you will make SW at your home and you will practice more and more at your home. Now, my dear students, you know that today is our SW number 10. SW number 10. And you will make SW at your home from Toa to Ya as SW number 10. Okay, my dear students, you must submit your SW copy on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. My dear students, no more today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.